Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here's Abdul and today we have another unboxing and first impressions video. This one is also another purchase, try before you buy. Amazon purchase. This is the SSB295P1, a quartz chronograph from Seiko. Just open it with my OPM. So, by the way, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to find the perfect quartz analog display watch to have like a, wow, that actually looks quite good. Wow, I'm actually surprised by how good it looks. Mario, a friend of mine, also has a channel, Bricktop. He had a he bought a 100 meters water resistance Seiko Quartz Chronograph, and he told me it was really nice. He even sent it to me. To review it on the channel, but the video got corrupted somehow, and after 5 minutes, it was very hard to continue watching. The video was just blurry somehow. So and I already sent the watch, so I wasn't able to make another review of the watch. So when I found it on this program, I thought, wow, okay, I would definitely get one myself. So this is the, like I said, this is a quartz chronograph, 42 millimeters according to the website, but as you all know, I believe that only when I measure it myself, and it's actually 42.7. Lug to lug is under 50, so 49.5. Thickness is 13.25, and a lug width of, I guess it's 22. Oh, it's actually a 20. Yeah, it's actually a 20 millimeters. So actually on the website it says 22, but in actuality it's a 20 millimeters. By the way, I'm wearing this, the inspiration from the watch that I want to buy is this one. That's my grandfather's, from my father's side, watch, and it's a Cloud Iller. I've never heard of the brand before. It's a vintage quartz chronograph, maybe from the 80s. If you ever heard of the brand, if you know anything about Cloud Iller, please leave in the comment section. It interests me a lot. I've searched a lot, but came with a lot of, not a lot of information, couple of websites, but nothing concrete. And yeah, so let me try this one out. I actually take this, put it into here, put it here, and I will actually, the strap, yeah, it's a Seiko bracelet. You don't expect so much from it. Let me, okay. So by the way, I have a 17.1 centimeter wrist, so around 6.7 inches. You can see it on my wrist. Actually wears quite comfortably. Let's see. Open the hands. The hands are just quite good. Did they jumps? Okay. Let's start the chronograph. Sorry. So the central seconds is the chronograph hands. This subdial 60 minutes. Running seconds. 24-hour display. So it tells you what time it is. So now it is around, according to here, 4 o'clock in the morning. So if I move it around to the afternoon, the subdial will move to indicate which part of the day are you, after 12 o'clock, noon, or at night. So now it's noon. Now it is actually 3:20 something, 3:20 something. So you go 3:22. Put back the crown. Does look quite nice. I really like the dial on that one. Might actually keep that one. I've been actually trying to reduce the collection, as you might saw in my state of the watch collection. But this one looks quite nice. Might have to pause and put it on a strap. because I actually got a 22 strap, or I took out a 22 strap for it, but according to my measurements, it's 20 millimeters, not 22 like the website said. So sorry about that. Let me pause and come back. I thought I'd show you the back side before I put the NATO on, because I decided to put a NATO on it. And here you go. You have a screw down case back. You have the reference number. So a little bit wobbly. You have Seiko under it, and you can see the P with the blue tape. So let's see it now on my wrist. Like I said, I have a 17.1 centimeter wrist. So it actually fits quite nice on this NATO. That's what I hate about Seiko. When they do a watch right and you try it out, it's very hard to send it back. So here we go on my wrist. So guys, what do you think about it? You like it? Please leave in the comment section if you do like it. If also you don't like it, leave it in the comment section. I think I'm gonna wear it today and see how it wears on the weekend, and maybe I'll keep this one. Who knows? Anyways, that's it for the video of today. So if you like this kind of video, leave a like, also subscribe, hit the bell button, and hopefully see you in the next one. Bye bye everyone.